Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss one important topic, that is what is secondary beam, why we need to provide secondary beams in the structure, what is the necessity of secondary beam, that we are going to discuss in today's session. So before learning something about the secondary beam, we must know the primary beam. What does the primary beam exactly means, or what is the role of primary beam in the structure? Basically, primary beams are nothing but the beam which are resting on two columns and transferring load directly to the column. We call it as a primary beam, and the main objective of primary beam is to carry a huge load and transfer it directly to the column. The basic role of primary beam is that. Okay, and then the secondary beams, why we are going to provide it, that we will learn later, but first we need to understand what is the definition of it. So basically, secondary beams are the beams, or we can say uh, these are the secondary beams which are resting on two primary beams and carrying load or provide or transferring load to the primary beams. We call it as a secondary beam. These beams are provided for supporting and reducing the deflection of beams as well as slab. As secondary beams do not carry any heavy load, the quantity of steel required for this kind of beam will also be very less. Before going towards the next content, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming video notification. Now let us try to understand why we are providing the secondary beam, as we are having already the primary beams in this structure. Basically, the purpose of providing the secondary beam is to resist the amount of or we can say to give certain stiffness to the structure. So let us understand this with a simple example. If there is a slab which is supported from all the sides with the primary beam having a dimension of 40 feet by 40 feet. So in that sense, there is a huge possibility that in certain amount of in certain situations, like or under certain kind of load acting upon that particular slab, it may be a dead load, live load. So the possibility is there that the slab may bend or deflect, okay, and it may create the cracks in the future. So to avoid it, it is better to provide the secondary beam. Secondary beams will provide certain stiffness, and it will also help to resist the loads acting upon the building, or we can say the slab. Okay, because single primary beams will not be able to transfer all the loads to the column. So if we'll provide in between the secondary beam, they will help to transfer that load to the primary beam, and it will also try to distribute the load directly from the primary beam. Okay.